Since the discovery of the first exoplanet in 1992, scientists have been searching for worlds that might be habitable. Thanks to advances in technology, we now know of thousands of exoplanets, including some that resemble Earth. These worlds, located in the habitable zone of their stars, are of great interest to astronomers and enthusiasts. What is the habitable zone? The habitable zone is the region around a star where conditions allow liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. This factor is considered key to the possibility of the origin of life. However, it is not only the distance from the star that matters. The composition of the atmosphere, mass, and structure of the planet are also important. Some of the most promising worlds include Proxima b is the closest exoplanet to us, located in the Proxima Centauri system. Its mass is slightly larger than Earth's, and it is located in the habitable zone of its star. However, due to the high activity of the red dwarf, the likelihood of an atmosphere is questionable. TRAPPIST-1e is one of 7 planets in the TRAPPIST-1 system, 3 of which are in the habitable zone. TRAPPIST-1e is similar in size to Earth and may have an atmosphere. Kepler 442b is an exoplanet 1,200 light-years distant with a high probability of liquid water. LHS 1140b is a massive super-Earth that is in the habitable zone and has a dense atmosphere capable of supporting a habitable climate. For an exoplanet to be potentially habitable, it must meet several criteria: the presence of an atmosphere that protects against radiation and maintains temperature, gravity close to Earth's gravity to hold an atmosphere, a magnetic field that will protect it from solar wind, a stable star that does not emit destructive bursts of energy. Potentially habitable exoplanets are searched for using the transit method. The transit method, which records changes in the brightness of a star as a planet passes in front of it. The Doppler shift method, which detects planets by gravitational influence on the star. Direct observation, where powerful telescopes are used to take pictures of planetary systems. Spectroscopy, which allows us to analyze the composition of the atmosphere and look for signs of life such as oxygen and methane. With the launch of new telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and future missions like LUVOIR and HabEx, the chances of discovering a planet with signs of life are increasing dramatically. In the coming decades, humanity could make one of the greatest discoveries in history: finding evidence of life beyond Earth. The search for potentially habitable exoplanets is one of the most important tasks of modern astronomy. Perhaps one day, we will discover a world with conditions suitable for life, or even traces of extraterrestrial organisms. Each new discovery brings us closer to answering one of the big questions: are we alone in the universe?